Haven't been myself for the longest time. Can't blame my health, just feel like I'll be better off somewhere else.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Wow, it has been a really long time. In fact, I think it's been like 2 months, and I want you guys to know that this isn't the beginning of the end. It has been everything that I could do to get myself back here to you guys. I have missed it so much. I have missed you so much, but sometimes you have to adult. Sometimes you have to adult. It's not fun, but sometimes you have to do it. And so that's what I've been doing. I've been adulting, and being a teacher in these times of COVID has been very unusual and very difficult at times, rewarding at times, just all the things. And I don't know. I am on break. It's the first chance I've gotten to have enough energy and just the motivation to sit down and do this, because I just haven't. I just have not had the energy to do anything but what I was doing, working all the time, at work, at home, just working all the time. So I will do a chit chat, get ready with me sometime in the near future where I can actually catch up with you guys, because as per usual, I have to be somewhere. I'm gonna go hang out with my mom this afternoon, watch the Kansas City Chiefs play the New Orleans Saints, and it's gonna be a good game. I can't wait. But today, this little thing has been burning holes in my vanity because I got it a long time ago, you guys. And this is the ColourPop at Forest Sight Raw Beauty KRISTI collab with ColourPop. I only got this, and I got a couple of the, where is it? Where is it? Wait for it. Wait for it. Dude, right in front of my face. I got a few singles, but these are not part of her collection. But I did get a few singles, and I got one set of lashes. But the only thing from her collection I got was this, because that's what I really wanted, and that's what I had the money for. And the other things I just added because they had a 3 for something sale, and I got free shipping because of that. So this is the palette, and I'm going to show you all the beautiful colors. All the beautiful colors. And I am going to swatch them for you very quickly, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do an eye look with this, and it's not going to be anything super elaborate today. I'm just going to do that. I am not going to use the lashes that I got from ColourPop. I got these Glamnetic lashes, and I think they're really pretty. And one of my BoxyCharms, which I have now canceled back BoxyCharm again. I got it so that I could use the pop-up and the add-ons for gifts, and I have done that. So that's over with. I'm back to trying to save money and get bills paid off and get myself in a better financial position. So that's what I'm going to do today. But first, I'm going to do some swatches for you.
Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no. I blow away all the pressure to measure up to what don't mean nothing. Oh, it's so good to be free, yeah. No slave to society.
Okay, so those were the worst swatches of all time, but I'm out of practice with everything. But I hope I can make less of a mess on my eyeballs. So we're getting ready to get started as soon as I get myself cleaned back up. I think I'm stained. Maybe a little bit. But maybe that means good pigmentation. Yeah, thanks. Oh my goodness. I got green on one hand and pink on the other. Oh well, here we go. Welcome to my face.
Be whatever I choose to be. Oh, it's so good to be free. Letting life roll with such ease, yeah. What used to cause me to stress out, I'm blessed now. 'Cause that stuff don't own me. Oh, I'm finally free. I don't need the look or the trend. I'll be the least cool of my friends. You can have all that. I won't please the pack, 'cause I'm free. Be whatever I choose to be. Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me. No, no, I blow away all the pressure to measure up to what don't need nothing. Oh, I'm finally free. Haven't been myself for the longest time. Can't blame my health, just feel like I'll be better off somewhere else, somewhere I can hide away and never be found. I hate to dwell in all this complication. I know I will find my way out soon, but I don't want to burden you till I feel right as rain. Right as rain, but just know you keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. You give me more, give me more, give me more to believe in. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. When I break it down, one pill at a time, I hate to feel, but you're showing me that I'm not broken. Anyone else would just run and hide, but not you. I hate to dwell on all the expectations. I know I give too much and too soon. Yeah, I don't want to overwhelm you, 'cause I'm not right as rain. Right as rain, but just know you keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. You give me more, give me more, give me more to believe in. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. It's playing on my mind, it's starting up my darkest of ways, and it's staying always, yeah. I see my own demise. This time nothing will get me through this, but there is, 'cause you keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. You give me more, give me more, give me more to believe in. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. Keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating. everything. You give me more, give me more, give me more of everything. You know one day I will find a way to feel something. Just keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart beating.
If you set yourself on fire, I never let you burn. I would smoke you till my lungs hurt and love you till I'm dirt. Oh, I'm not sure where all this goes. What I do know is I'll never let you go. When my world is falling apart, you're always there first. When I felt like I could give up, you showed me my worth. I'd follow you into that desert, and if worst came to worst, I would fight off all your monsters. Yeah, I would break the curse. Oh, I'm not sure where all this goes. What I do know is I'll never let you go. When my world is falling apart, you're always there first. When I felt like I could give up, you showed me my worth. When my world is falling apart, you're always there first. When I felt like I could give up, you showed me my worth.
Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no. I blow away all the pressure to measure up to what don't mean nothing. Oh, it's so good to be free, yeah. No slave to society, no. I realize that to fit in is quitting on the one and only me. Oh, I'm freest as me. I don't need the look or the trend. I'll be the least cool of my friends. You can have all that. I won't please the pack, 'cause I'm free to be whatever I choose to be. Oh, it's so good to be free.
All right, so how about some welcome back, Sherri, glamour shots in 3, 2, and 1.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished, no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can be the Paris. Make some times we'll cherish. Baby, there's no comparing to you. Don't need Isha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sherri. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. No, they got nothing on you. They got nothing. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute.
All right, guys, that is it for me. Okay, how's that for getting back on the saddle? I don't know. We'll see how it turns out when I edit it, but I'm so glad to be back, so glad to be filming again and hoping to stockpile a bunch of videos for you. I've got some collabs coming up, and I am just so happy to have filmed this video for you today. I will talk to you later. I will come back and do a catch up and just talk to you about everything that's been going on, and that'll be coming up soon. I'm hoping to do a live too. That's another saddle I need to get back on. There's a lot of saddles I need to get back on, you guys, says Chubby Chubberson. Anyways, I love you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.
Break it down, one pill at a time. I hate to feel, but you're showing me that I'm not
It's gonna be a good day. Good, blah, blah, blah.
but not you. I hate to dwell on all the
If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, or subscribe.
overwhelm you, 'cause I'm not riding straight, but just know, keep my heart, keep my heart, keep my heart.